So hello everyone. So this is a tutorial video for CKM-20 grain moisture meter. So this is, we have to unbox it first. So what you will get in the box is a CKM-20 indicator, or you can say machine, meter. Then you get 4 batteries to operate it, 1 handle, 2 plates, 2 brush, 1 tweezer and 1 container, or you can say rice peeler for this rice peeler. Okay, now firstly we have to insert batteries in the machine. When we are done with this, you have to close the lid and we are good to go. You can see it's turning on. Now we have to turn it off again. So how to prepare for a sample first? We have to understand that. So this is a sample tray. You can see this, it's a sample tray. You have to put your sample, any type of sample. 6 type of grains can be measured in this meter: rice, brown rice, wheat, barley, maize and paddy. So let's assume that we are putting rice in this. You have to fill until this. Then you have to put this tray in the machine. You have to put it until the stop line comes. Not like this, not like this. You have to push it further. Then you have to tighten this handle in one go, like this. No another tightening. Then you have to turn on the machine and you are good to go and select the grain type. Here you have to select the grain that you are measuring. Like we are measuring rice, so we will see the arrow on the rice. You can see that arrow is on the rice. Now when we are done with this, we will press measure button. After pressing, we have to wait. Now you can see the readings. You can measure 2 or 3 times in one sample. That's enough for that. Otherwise you will get wrong readings. If you are done with this, turn off the machine, unloose the handle and put it aside. It will be dirty when you will be using a sample, and the sample tray also. Okay, now you have to use the brush for this. This is the brush that will be used to clean the surface. Like we have to clean the machine surface, then you have to clean it like this and ensure that there is no residue left behind. If you find anyone, you have to use tweezer to pick them up and use that. Okay, now we are done with this cleaning. Now we have to clean the sample tray like this. The procedure is same for all the equipments. Now it's good to go, and the handle at last. It's all you have to do whenever you are using this machine. This is the simple step that you have to done. That's all. Thank you.